Understanding our emotions. When caught in a lower vibrational frequency, things can seem hard to overcome. By choosing in a determined fashion to observe ourselves and how we react in stressful situations, we objectively look at what we feel and how we reacted in a particular way, and seek ways to dissolve any negative emotional hooks to past events. This empowers us to greatly improve our life experience and to live a much happier life. No matter how overwhelmed, stressed, angry, or anxious we might feel during challenging moments, we have within us an innate power to change the way we approach these challenges by simply shifting our thoughts. Some of our emotional releases can be very painful. Because of that, we often tend to repress them deep within, not wanting to feel them again. No matter how intense and painful a release might be, we feel much better afterwards. The more we clear ourselves from accumulated lower frequency emotions, the higher our frequency will rise and the happier we'll become.